what's up everybody? Welcome to another edition of Problem Solved. I got my 2004 Honda Civic Si here. I'm in the back. I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse lights with brighter LED bulbs. The process should be the same no matter what car you have. There should be access in the back like you're seeing now. Some maybe hatch door, something where you either have to pry something apart or maybe turn something in order to remove the access door to get to the bulbs. Check up your car, your specific application, and do some research online ahead of time, but the process is generally the same. Once you find and locate the area where the bulb is inserted, generally you just turn like anything else. Left is loosen, right is tighten. So you're going to want to just twist to the left, turning counterclockwise as you're looking at the back of the bulb, and it simply pops out once you do about a quarter of a turn. Now this part, bulbs should pop out and pop back in. Same end on it. Make sure you compare what you have to what you're putting in, and then you're just going to slip it in. There's no polarity as far as it has to be inserted in a certain direction, at least on mine. Just check the ends, make sure it looks like it just goes in and that it's the same all the way around. No tabs are offset or anything different. Once you pop it into the bulb socket, then you simply just insert it back into the housing where it came out of. You'll see some slots that do have to line up. Once they're lined up, you're going to do a quarter turn clockwise to the right, and you should see it the way it looked there, straight up and down, and insert it all the way tight. You're going to repeat the same procedure on the other side as I'm doing here. I'm just showing you from the outside looking in what the old bulb looks like. You're going to use the same procedure on your car on the one side for the other. You pop off the access area. Mine's a little piece of plastic covering it in the back. And you just look that up, confirm on your particular car. Once you get in there, it's the same thing. Left, about a quarter of a turn. Just make sure you're locating the correct bulb, that it is the reverse light bulb. I used a needle nose pliers to get a little better grip on it. If you can reach in there and use your fingers, I definitely would say that'd be okay. Once you turn it to the left, simply pull it back out. That's the old one there. It's a little difficult to do it one hand, but obviously you probably won't have your phone in your hand. It just pops right out. There's no clips or anything on this particular application to worry about. And that's the new LED bulb. You're going to insert that same way that the old one came out. And once it's inserted and you're sure it's tight, you simply put it back in the housing, line up those tabs on the bulb socket, and insert it into the housing, and then it's quarter turn the opposite way, clockwise to the right, as you can see here. There it is. And then you simply put the access hatch, piece of plastic, whatever it is that you had to remove. Put that back on tight, and you should be all set. You can see how bright they are. This is in daylight. Even just in daylight, there's a big difference Very dangerous with the old incandescent type bulbs, I feel, going in reverse, especially, obviously at night. Here's a nighttime view. You can see it's almost like daylight behind the car. Big difference, much safer. Hope you like this video. Again, it's a short and quick one, but I hope it helped you out. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button down below, and keep making these. Thanks again for watching.